ThingsBook can be used in your creative process, and here's how. For marketing, you can make a collection of your work. In my case, I have a collection of Beyond Remnants webcomics, currently published on Webtoon. If I click into one of the stories in said collection, I have links directly to the webcomic and even where you can buy things like Soapy and paperback. This makes for easy advertising. Another option is creating collections of your characters, worlds, concepts, honestly anything. I use ThingsBook to keep track of my characters. I can scroll through them or toggle the display to another layout like this. For my characters, I keep it simple with a few brief details. If you ever want to go back and edit a post, you can easily. Oh, and if you're worried about people seeing your work, you can always set things to private. I have mine on public. Another suggestion, something I've seen other creators do, is collecting inspiration, be it music that inspires you, images, anything. You'll find lots of categories to choose from, and some impact how your collection will get displayed on your profile. Now for a few tips, including troubleshooting for the app, as it is in open beta right now. You can click on your profile picture to change that, your status, your display name, or description. Keep in mind that this is limited to 100 characters for the bio description. Your collections will speak more for you than this, but it's still your first impression with most people who land on your page. If, while you're on your phone, you open your app one day and see things looking like this, which is a whole lot of nothing, you're not alone. I've run into this problem. For some, resetting the phone fixes it. For others, just waiting it out and coming back in a couple hours helps, but the fastest solution I've found is actually uninstalling the app completely, then re-downloading it. I've tried clearing the cache, it's to no avail. So this is what I do if the app is acting up. Well, after checking my phone for updates. Hope this was helpful, and thank you for tuning in. Feel free to follow me on ThingsBook. Full disclosure, I am not being paid to make this video, but I am, at least currently, a ThingsBook creator. So you giving me a follow on there could really help me out. I think the app is cool, it's long-form, content-friendly, so I enjoy posting there, since I like to talk about things in great detail. But yeah, be not overcome of evil, but overcome evil with good. Till next time. Alright, can you be quiet while I record? Okay, good. ThingsBook can be... I will have to record this later.